I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca. Welcome to another installment of Wednesday Wisdom. Do you feel that in the air? My knees do, so does my back. Fall is coming. And as you age, it sucks as things get colder. However, point out a couple things. You can see the soffits above me there are white. Why? I don't care. But however, a lot of people paint these things black or different colors to change the look of their house. And me personally, I could care less. However, what I do care about is a ladder because I'm afraid of heights. And in my old home, I'd have to get up every single fall to clear out the gutter. There's an inexpensive solution and a number of them that you can have professionally installed if you don't want to deal with it. It's called a gutter guard. And the reason why I got a gutter guard, at the time that we bought our house 11 years ago, the roofer said, you know, why are you bothering with this? You don't even have a tree on your property. And there's a few more in the park behind us, and there's a couple more on the street. The point was, it doesn't just have to be leaves. Any obstruction could fall in there and then choke the gutter. Now, your gutters aren't supposed to feed an eavesdrop underground because that could cause other problems. But if they do, now you have another serious problem. So, sure, you could consider paint for those soffits and gutters and whatnot to freshen up the look of the house. But if you want a concrete fix just in time for the cold and the fall that's coming, look at the gutter guards. Ours were relatively inexpensive for the whole house. I think it was like $700-800. I don't remember. But you can again have different types, and I'll probably point a few out during the course of this video. They're a functional upgrade. You don't see them, but you sure as heck appreciate them when you're not going up a ladder on a windy fall day. I'm Eric Mattei. Back to school is coming. I hope you had a great summer. This is another installment of Wednesday Wisdom. Have a great day.